Welcome to this complete Madrid, Spain travel guide, where the sun shines bright and tapas are a way of life. Here, in the very heart of Spain, lies Madrid, a city of vibrant energy and cultural richness. Bursting with life, Madrid is an eclectic mix of old and new, where centuries-old traditions meet cutting-edge fashion and art. It's a city that never sleeps, yet always welcomes those who seek tranquility in its many lush parks. Throughout this guide, we're going to explore 10 must-see places in Madrid. From the grandeur of the Royal Palace to the artistic treasures of the Prado Museum, from the bustling Gran Via to the serene Retiro Park, every corner of Madrid has a story to tell. And no, we haven't forgotten the football fanatics. The Santiago Bernabéu Stadium also finds a place in our itinerary, so without further ado, embark on this exciting journey through the heart of Spain. First stop, the Royal Palace of Madrid, where opulence meets history. This grand structure, resplendent in its Baroque architecture, is more than just a sight for sore eyes. It's a testament to Spain's rich tapestry of history and culture. Constructed in the mid-18th century, it served as the royal residence until the 20th century. Today, it stands as a symbol of the Spanish monarchy's enduring legacy, with its 1,000-plus rooms showcasing exquisite art, striking frescoes, and a collection of historical artifacts that speak volumes of Spain's past. The palace's architectural style is a marvel in itself, a blend of French and Italian influences, representing the opulence of the Bourbon dynasty. Its grandeur is further enhanced by the meticulously landscaped gardens surrounding the palace, a sight to behold in every season. This cultural landmark is not just a palace, it's a living, breathing chronicle of Spain's royal history. A visit to Madrid is incomplete without stepping into this royal wonder. Next, immerse yourself in the artistic splendor of the Prado Museum. As one of the world's most renowned art galleries, the Prado Museum is a testament to Spain's illustrious artistic heritage. From the minute you step through its doors, you find yourself in an enchanting world of masterpieces spanning 7 centuries of European art. The Prado's collection is vast and diverse, boasting over 7,000 paintings, 1,000 sculptures, and plenty of drawings and prints. It's a veritable treasure trove of creativity and talent. You'll find works from great masters like Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, just to name a few. The museum's history is as rich as its collection. For more than 200 years, it has been a beacon of culture, drawing in art lovers from all corners of the globe. It's not just a museum, it's a symbol of Spain's deep-rooted love for art and beauty. Remember, art lovers, the Prado Museum is an unmissable gem. From royal grandeur and artistic brilliance, we move to the tranquil Retiro Park and the pulsating Puerta del Sol. A city of contrast, Madrid offers an exquisite blend of serenity and vibrancy. Retiro Park, once a royal playground, is now a sanctuary of calm amidst the city's hustle. Its expansive green spaces, dotted with statues, fountains, and a serene lake, offer a perfect retreat from the urban rush. Here you can row a boat, bask in the sun, or simply lose yourself in the beauty of nature. On the flip side, there's Puerta del Sol, the beating heart of Madrid. This bustling square is the hub of city life, a place where locals and visitors alike converge. With its vibrant energy, eclectic street performers, and iconic landmarks, it's a microcosm of Madrid's lively spirit. Madrid is a city of contrasts where tranquility and bustle coexist. Whether you seek peace or hustle, Madrid has it all. Prepare to be charmed by the historic Plaza and the bustling Gran Via. These 2 iconic spots are rich tapestries of Madrid's social and cultural life, where the past and the present meet in a beautiful dance. Plaza Mayor, a grand square enclosed by symmetrical red brick buildings, is a testament to the city's rich history. Once a stage for bullfights and public executions, today it's home to joyful gatherings, seasonal markets, and a plethora of cafes where you can sip on a delightful café con leche or savor traditional tapas. Now let's saunter down the vibrant Gran Via. Often hailed as Madrid's Broadway, it's a hub of chic boutiques, grand theaters, and gourmet eateries. The architectural marvels lining the avenue are a visual feast, with styles ranging from Art Deco to Neo-Mudejar. Experience the city's heartbeat in Plaza Mayor and Gran Via. They're not just destinations, but a journey through Madrid's captivating narrative. Next, we explore the contemporary Reina Sofia Museum and the ancient Temple of Debode. Immerse yourself in the world of modern art at the Reina Sofia Museum, named after Spain's former queen. This treasure trove of 20th century art boasts an impressive collection that spans the globe. From the thought-provoking masterpieces of Picasso and Dali to the abstract wonders of Miro and Kandinsky, the museum is a testament to human creativity and the power of artistic expression. Now let's journey back in time to the Temple of Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple that's found an unlikely home in Madrid. Gifted to Spain in the mid-20th century, this 2,000-year-old temple stands as a striking testament to Egypt's fascinating history. As you wander through its time-worn pillars and hieroglyphic inscriptions, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time. Madrid, a city where the old and new coexist beautifully. From the avant-garde artistry of the Reina Sofia Museum to the age-old marvels of the Temple of Debod, Madrid truly is a city of contrasts. Finally, we arrive at the iconic Santiago Bernabéu Stadium and the majestic Almudena Cathedral. Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, home to the world-renowned Real Madrid Football Club, is more than just a football stadium. It's a monument to the beautiful game, a place where passion, determination, and skill converge in a symphony of athleticism. It's a must-visit for any football enthusiast, a testament to the city's love for the sport. On the other hand, Almudena Cathedral stands as a testament to Madrid's rich spiritual history. Its stunning architecture, a blend of Gothic revival and neo-Romanesque styles, paints a picture of the city's past. Its grandeur and elegance are a sight to behold, making it a beacon of tranquility amidst the city's bustling life. In essence, these landmarks embody Madrid's spirit, a city that embraces both the thrill of sports and the serenity of spirituality. Madrid, a city that celebrates both sports and spirituality. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Madrid's top 10 must-see places. Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've just embarked on. From the regal splendor of the Royal Palace of Madrid, with its ornate decor, breathtaking frescoes, and grandeur that echoes the tales of the Spanish royalty, to the cultural treasure trove that is the Prado Museum, home to one of the finest collections of European art. These places not only showcase Madrid's rich history, but also its deep-rooted appreciation for art and culture. Then we strolled through the lush landscapes of Retiro Park, a green oasis in the heart of the city, and basked in the vibrant energy of Puerta del Sol, the pulsating heart of Madrid. These are the places where locals and tourists alike find respite from the bustling city life, places that offer moments of tranquility amidst the urban chaos. Our journey continued to Plaza, a place that has witnessed Madrid's transformation over centuries, and Gran Via, the city's bustling shopping and entertainment hub. These places are where Madrid's past and present meet, offering a unique blend of historical charm and modern allure. We then immersed ourselves in Madrid's contemporary art scene at the Reina Sofia Museum and soaked in the stunning views of the sunset at the Temple of Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple in the middle of the city. These places highlight Madrid's diverse cultural influences and its ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new. Finally, we rounded off our tour at the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, a mecca for football fans, and the Almudena Cathedral, a symbol of Madrid's religious heritage. These places echo the passionate spirit of Madrid, a city that lives and breathes football and holds its religious traditions close to its heart. Every corner of Madrid has a story to tell, a unique experience to offer. It's a city that invites you to delve into its rich culture, to experience its vibrant lifestyle, and to create your own unforgettable memories. So pack your bags. Madrid awaits to charm you with its magic. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.